Okay, this app is called Nouns 3.
Skills System. Nouns 3.
And we're going to go back in and start off as the FSS user.
Select the video you want to watch.
And what you do when you come in here, you have a choice. They're organized from A to Z, where you can just scroll up and down and choose a word, and then watch the video for the description of that word.
Head. This word says head. The head is the top part of the body attached to the neck. The brain, eyes, ears, nose, and mouth are part of the head. Head.
And you can just go all the way up through this.
Sky. This word says sky. The sky is the upper part of the air around the earth. The sky looks blue on a sunny day, and we see stars in the sky at night. Sky.
So that gives you an idea of all the nouns that you can go through from A to Z without any restrictions. You can look at every single one if you want to. Let's go ahead and check back out of this and come in at the main screen again.
Welcome to the Functional Skills System.
And what we're going to do is we're going to log in as the administrator. And we have a test user, but we're going to set one up for you to see. So add. And the reason you would want to do this is if you wanted to create a sort of playlist, and you'll see what I mean. When I click on my name, you'll see there's no playlist there, but if we then click on the film strip, you'll see all of the videos come up. Now you have the option of recalling the video by just pressing the blue button over here with the arrow, and that will show you the video again to make sure that that's the correct video you want to add to the playlist. But for example, let's say we want to add all of the words that begin with the letter P. We would basically just go down the list and choose all of the words with the starting letter of P, and then we would go back out to the videos, and there is our playlist of P words starting with the letter P. Now, if we go back out to the user list, you can see that you could create that for many different users if you wanted to in the classroom or in an environment where you have more than one person that needs to use the program. Now, if you were to leave it in this mode, the people using it would have access to these kind of playlists, and they would be able to play around and maybe alter or adjust things. So that's why when you go back out and you go into the login,
please type your first name, then press Done. Please press the Login button.
You'll see that the playlist comes up, but there's no other options. So you're kind of locked in this mode so that you can concentrate on it, and the student can concentrate on what they have to learn, or the child or the person learning these has no distractions. But again, you go through it and you basically just press the
Plant.
Picture.
This word says plant. A plant is a living thing that cannot move around by itself. Plants grow in the ground. They can be small, like grass, or very large, like trees. Plant.
And like I said, you've got all of the words that begin with P in this playlist.
People. This word says people. People are human beings or persons. These people are walking on a sidewalk. People.
And that gives you an idea of the playlist setup. So if you wanted to get back out of this and go back to the main program, you would exit it and then come back in on
Welcome to the Functional Skills System.
The main screen.
Nouns 3.
Pressing the question mark will tell you a lot of information about the program and the system and the entire Conover company. But a great app for creating playlists and having separate users. And this one is called Nouns 3.